Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are in my garage because of this nice weather outside, which is perfect to learn how to drift, and I'm gonna show you today my easiest way to learn. What is a drift? It's basically making your rear wheel spinning and keeping the balance on your bike. And why do you want to drift? Maybe because you want to save it from slipping on the streets, or knowing better your bike, or improve your stand skills, or making some curves with more style. Oh l'enculé! Tu es ce coq de merde! So my best recommendations for you guys are first finding a small bike, I mean a 50 or 125cc, which will be very good because it will be lighter and less dangerous. Then you will have to find a slippery spot like a wet floor outside when it's raining, or anything slippy will be very good to learn. And put some hard tires on the rear and put more air, like 3 bar in front. And then put some protections on you, on your bike, and I think after you can crash all day and just get up and try again. So once you have all these tips ready, this is how you will start. Stop, put a bit of angle with your bike. Don't be afraid to lower it enough so it will make your start easier. Try to open the gas a little bit, but enough to make the wheel spin when you clutch up. You will have to practice a bit before going to the next step, which is drifting with your foot down. As soon as you are able to make donuts like this, try slowly to put your foot on the bike while keeping your drift. Also, I repeat how important it is to practice on a slippery floor, like today we are having some rain with snow. You will have more chances to low side if you fall rather than high side, which is a bit more risky. I often like to practice in these cold conditions to learn new drifting tricks, very useful to go over your fear. Okay, that's all I have for you today, guys. Now it's your turn, and I hope you will find this video useful. If so, please make sure to give a little thumbs up, and don't forget that with practice you can do everything. Oh, ça se trouve c'est de la merde. Ça se trouve c'est de la merde.